All right, so what we're gonna do now is just show you how to break down this chicken. Flip him over. We're gonna take some secateurs, cut down the edge. That's fine. Same on the other side. I like to just slice through that breastplate so I can pop him open. Crack it down. It's a matter of just cutting out that breast. Voila! Sharp knife. Take my drummy and my thigh off. 1. 2, 3. Slice along with the skin. You don't have to cut through much bone. Comes nice and easy with that thigh piece. Get a little bit of tap. My 2 drummies and my thigh sitting there. My breast piece, my wing. Same again for the other side. Done, done, done. And then through here, we've got the wing and the thigh. Find that joint. You don't have to cut through any bones. Thigh piece, drumstick. Same again. Find that line, cut through the joint. Do that with that voice. And that is the chicken broken down as fast as you can get it.